Automation Direct is your one-stop shop for all your control panel needs. We sell whatever you might need to build high-quality control panels with high stocking rates, fast free shipping, and highly competitive prices. We have a huge assortment of terminal blocks. Most blocks work with the 35mm DIN rail and the mini blocks for the 15mm DIN. These robust terminal blocks employ a terminal connection system that meet the demands of the industrial environment and are suitable for factory wiring as well as field wiring connections. The konnect-it KN series offers cost-effective screw terminal blocks and related components available in single level, double level, triple level, sensor, mini, grounding, fuse holder, and disconnecting terminal block types. The KN series may be more cost-effective, especially in smaller quantities. DN series DIN rail mounted terminal blocks are available in the same types as the KN series, with the addition of plug-in style, thermocouple rated terminal blocks, test plugs, and even UL 1077 rated supplemental circuit protection. We offer the connector blocks in screwless versions as well. Screwless terminal blocks save time and money. They offer quick and easy clamping system that is secure and maintenance free. Just push the spring clamp, insert the wire, and release. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. Please see this playlist for all your panel building needs. We have a vast library of other videos. Please click here to view all product videos. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming products and solutions.